So, it's already 6 p.m. dito sa aming palasyo. Ayan ang aming palasyo building. And it's so nice here kasi pwede kang umupo-upo and presko. Very fresh. Maaliwalas. See? Puno. I'm here sitting down kasi i-haul ko yung mga pinamili ko for my this week consume ano ba tawag doon? Basta consumable. For my this week grocery, yun na lang. So let's start. Buti lang ngayon tahimik dito. Konti yung mga sasakyan kasi sometimes maraming nagpa-park dyan na sasakyan. So hanggang dyan yan, hanggang Tower 11. So may 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Parang walang 4 ata. Basta hanggang 11 yan. And ito ang akin na pamilya for my this week grocery. For my 1 week food for almost 146, sabihin natin $150. I bought this for discounted 19, 16 na lang. So 16 pang sinigang ko and paksiw. And this one just $13. And 3 for 21. This one is $22. So di ko alam kung cheaper ba siya or pero mas mahal to mas mahal sa ibang grocery ito. And may parang ano siya yung isang brand. Pero ito yung binili ko kasi mas mura and from Turkey. And Argentina $15. And this one Chinese pechay, it's a Chinese cabbage, just $4.50. And this one just $3.50. Dati ano yan, 6.90 or sometimes it's 8 something. And my chippy. And what else? Our bread, my bread, and that's with honey and egg. And my tomatoes, $5.50 for 2. And this one is discounted also. It's 19 and 12 na lang for 6 eggs. And my vegetables. Ay, ano pala, bumili ako ng fruits. Dragon fruit, $8 lang. Ang tatlo. So, di ba, maganda pa siya. Nakasave ako diyan. Dating, imagine that, $25. So, mag-antay-antay ka minsan ng ibang sale. Pag hindi sale, maghanap ka ng ibang sale. Basta may weekly kang fruits. And eggplant for my paksiw. And bumili ako ng spring onions and parsley. And of course, may okra and siling haba, isa. Yan, hahatiin ko na lang yan for my paksiw and sinigang. So that's it. I hope you're all in good condition and always healthy and happy. That's all. See you next time. Live life to the fullest, square and fair. Until my next one.